Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to record a video call on iPhone quickly and easily using built-in features. Now let's get started. First, make or join a video call using FaceTime or any other video calling app like Zoom, WhatsApp, or Instagram. Make sure your call is active and everything is working properly. Next, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center. This is where you can access quick tools like brightness, volume, and screen recording. Tap the Screen Recording button to start capturing your screen. This will begin recording everything that's happening, including the video call. If you want to include your voice or any external sound, press and hold the screen recording icon, then tap the microphone icon to enable audio recording. Make sure your screen is recording by checking the red or green indicator at the top of the screen. That means the recording is active. Now continue with your video call while the screen recorder captures both the video and the audio in real time. Once the video call is finished, end the call just like you normally would. Make sure your call is fully disconnected. Then, tap the red recording bar at the top of the screen and select Stop to end the screen recording session. To view your recording, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Your recorded video call will be saved there and ready to edit, share, or review. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful iPhone tips.